In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove members from Trello. We'll walk through how to remove someone from a workspace, what the different removal choices mean, and how to wrap up cleanly so access is fully revoked. Follow along on your own screen and pause anytime you need. Start by heading to Trello.com and signing in. From the Trello home screen, open the workspace you want to manage. You'll see your workspaces listed on the left or along the top. Click the one where the member currently belongs. If the workspace opens to a general overview, click the workspace name again if needed to land on its home area. Next, open the boards or home view for that workspace so you can access its management options. Along the top, select Members. This is where you can see everyone who has access to the workspace and adjust their permissions or remove them entirely. Find the person you want to remove. To the right of their name, click Remove. When you do this, Trello gives you a choice. Remove from workspace means the person will no longer be part of the workspace, but they could still have access to specific boards if they were invited to those boards individually as a guest. Remove from workspace and boards is the stricter option. It removes them from the workspace and also from every board in that workspace, which is what you'll usually want if the person is leaving the team or no longer needs any access. Choose the option that matches your intent. If you're simply moving someone out of the workspace but keeping them on a particular project, choose Remove from Workspace. If you're fully revoking access, choose Remove from Workspace and Boards. Trello may ask you to confirm. Click the confirmation button to proceed. A brief tip here. If you manage paid seats, the Workspace and Boards option helps ensure the seat becomes available by removing any lingering board access that could keep a person counted. Once you've removed the member in this first workspace, return to your workspace list and open any other workspace where the same person might also be a member. For this walkthrough, switch to a second workspace to repeat the process. Open Members at the top, locate the person and click Remove beside their name. Again, decide between Remove from Workspace or Remove from Workspace and Boards. If the goal is to make sure they have zero access and no remaining board membership, confirm the Workspace and Boards option when prompted. Trello may show a second confirmation to make sure you understand the change is comprehensive and can affect multiple boards. Confirm again to finish. When you're done removing the member, close any pop-up windows by clicking the X in the top corner of the dialog. If another overlay or sidebar appears, close that as well with the X so you're back on the clean workspace view. To finish, click the Trello logo to return to your main home screen. From here, you can scan your workspaces to ensure the member no longer appears. If you ever need to restore access, you can invite them back to a workspace or to specific boards later. A couple of closing pointers to keep things smooth. You'll need to be an admin of the workspace to remove members. If you don't see the remove button, ask a workspace admin to update your role or have them complete the removal. Also, remember the difference between the two removal choices. Removing from the workspace only is best when someone still needs to collaborate on a particular board as a guest. Removing from the workspace and boards is best when access should end completely across that workspace. That's it. You've removed a member from a Trello workspace, chosen the right level of removal, confirmed it, and returned to your home screen. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you perform these steps on your own account.